come off of the building. Me have to get one big old hammer and get couple of man and lick out back the steel them. Cause my stepmother come and say she no want me upon the land. She done grow me already. She no want me there. See me other rest of brother and sister them get land space. And me no get none. Me no get none. And me I tell you say, when my stepmother run me off of the land, it hurtful. Like literally it hurt to me because you see me other rest of brother and sister them a build up them place and them say me, them no want me upon the land, me feel away. And I take up the phone and I call my father. And I say to my father, say, how comes you not run me off of the land, but you not run nobody else off of the land? Remember, say me are your pitney, and you're married to my mother. My father look at me and tell me, say, him can't do nothing about it because him love my stepmother. And we get big already, so me have to find somewhere for go. You understand me? You see the day name day, my father look at me and tell me that. I put that in my brains. You understand what I say? I put that in my head. And I tell myself, so I have to do something for my kids them. Right? So, me now go end up now come and see my pitney them can get one little piece of land where them can build one nice little house pan. Of course, I go try the better for my kids them. In any way possible. You understand?